Well, you'll never believe this, Maya, but I won this for making the world's biggest sandwich.
World's biggest sandwich?
One day, many years ago, I was really hungry, so I decided to make myself a sandwich. I'm famished. But the longer it took to make the sandwich, the hungrier I got. So the more ingredients I put in, I just kept going. The sandwich got bigger. It rose higher and higher. Pretty soon, it was as high up as the clouds. People came from miles to see, and because it was the biggest sandwich ever, they gave me a trophy. Thank you, but I'm no hero. I'm just hungry. And that's how I remember it.